Just made it over to the Fox River into Pere.
That's freaking awesome.
No! Ah! Oh, it's in my finger! Oh! Dollar bill. Oh, there's some more money. $1.25. Money all over in this river. $1.25. Good eye. This guy's seen better days. There you go. Get tuckered out, but I like it. These guys all watch my channel, and I told them they can have a free lure, so go ahead and pick whatever you want. Thanks for joining my channel.
Yeah, no problem.
It's just money out there. Lots of money. You like that? Thanks. Thanks for watching my channel. Well, thanks for watching my channel, man. This is Chelsea. She likes watching the videos and saying hi to me every time I'm here. She's getting a free lure today. Time for round 2, baby. There's a lot of lures to be found in there. That's my $100 in the bank. About $150 grab there. Yeah, done. Ed the diver. Alright, get a free lure, bud.
Oh, shoot. Thanks, man. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining my channel. There you go. You got it?
Thank you. Can I get a picture?
Yeah. You guys. Yeah, nice to meet you. Awesome. Keep watching. Look at all that.